It's vegan recipes as far as the eye can see.
Hi, thanks for joining me, Emily, today on It's Vegan. It's Saturday morning and we are going to do a super quick and easy breakfast. We are going to turn these biscuits into donut holes. So come on, let's get started. I just wanted to quickly show you how I have everything set up. We have our biscuits here, and even though they say buttermilk, they do not have any milk or eggs in them. Some apple slices. We decided to get our toppings ready. We have cinnamon and sugar, shredded coconut, some chopped nuts. We made a quick icing that we will put the recipe below for, a chocolate and a vanilla. And then here we have some oil heating up on a little burner. Once it reaches temperature, we'll get started. We are going to prep our biscuits now. Of course, I got one that didn't open. And this is actually a great Saturday morning breakfast to make with kids. It's so quick and easy. And it's fun to have them help you in the kitchen. We are just gonna cut each biscuit into 4. I feel like in the past we have actually cut a whole lot of the middle of these and made them into donuts. But that takes a little more effort.
Do you want to show it?
Should we show it? We can do one. Do you have a little, I can't remember what we used to cut the center out, do you? Since I mentioned it, I decided to show you. I think this is to core an apple, maybe? But we have used it in the past to, instead of just cutting these into 4s, you can actually make donuts and holes out of them. It's just much more time consuming. I am going to prep the rest of these off camera, and then we'll be back and start frying them up. Our oil is heated up to about 375, and it's time to start our donuts. And the oil should be about 1 inch deep. You will have to flip them over. Sometimes they don't want to flip. They're done once you get them to a nice golden brown color on both sides. These ones are probably done. Oh yeah. Let's put one of our actual donut shaped ones in there. We are using peanut oil today, but you could use other oil. Here's our actual little round holes. We're getting the last few donuts into the grease now, and then we'll be ready to do our taste test. Looks like we might have someone that wants to taste test right now.
Yeah, what's this?
We are doing donuts for breakfast. Try one of these ones over here, they're cooler. Going for the sugar icing. It's really fun because you can pick your own toppings.
Yeah, that's good.
And you could add whatever toppings you want to this array of toppings here. You could do, what else would you do? Sprinkles maybe?
Powdered sugar?
Just powdered sugar would be good. Yeah, whatever you like. You could do like a peanut butter sauce. We decided to take a cut and took some pictures of our donuts, and we got carried away and just started eating. But quick little taste test. They taste like fresh made donuts, like you would buy like at a carnival or something, fried dough. So delicious. Hope you give these quick treats a try. Please subscribe and come back and see us next week too.